Contact Starfleet.
Mission briefing. Reports of strange occurrences on Risa, a Federation resort planet. Tourists have gone missing and local authorities are stumped. Awaiting your orders.
Engage.
Warp drive engaged. Entering Risa's orbit. Dropping out of warp. Entering Risa's orbit at impulse speed.
Contact the authorities.
Planetary governor responding. We're experiencing unexplained occurrences. Tourists have vanished. We suspect foul play, but our investigations have yielded nothing. We need your assistance, Captain.
Where were the missing persons last seen?
Planetary governor continues. The missing individuals are all high-stakes gamblers and wealthy entrepreneurs. They were last seen at the Risian Grand Casino. We've reviewed security footage, but it's as if they vanished into thin air.
Scan for the missing persons.
Scanning planet surface for signs of missing individuals. Sensors picking up unusual energy signatures near the Risian Grand Casino.
Beam down to this location.
Away team on planet surface. Investigating Risian Grand Casino. No signs of missing individuals, but sensors still detecting unusual energy signatures.
Scan the energy signatures.
Energy signature analysis complete. Signatures match those of Orion pirate vessels. It appears they are involved in the disappearances.
Scan for Orion pirates.
Scanning for Orion pirate vessels. Sensors detecting a pirate ship in orbit, hiding behind a nearby moon.
Beam back to the ship.
Away team safely back on board.
Contact the Orion ship.
Orion pirate ship responding. You're a foolish Federation ship. We'll take your cargo and destroy you.
Go to Red Alert.
Red alert. Battle stations. Phasers locked on Orion pirate ship.
Target their shield generator.
Targeting shield generator on Orion pirate ship.
Fire phasers.
Firing phasers. Direct hit. Shields down. Orion pirate ship is attempting to flee.
Engage tractor beam.
Tractor beam engaged. Pirate ship is now in our custody.
Scan for the missing persons.
Scanning Orion pirate ship for signs of missing persons from Risa. Sensors detecting life signs. They're being held in the pirate ship's cargo bay.
Beam the missing persons to the Enterprise.
Mission complete. Orion pirate ship neutralized. Missing persons rescued. Returning to Federation Space Station K7 for debriefing.